Hello everyone, this is John from Data Finance. Welcome back to our channel. We are with you on afternoon of 11th January. Alright, on this video we will cover three charts as always. The first one will be wheat prices. The second one will be Ethereum, and the third one, the last one, will be Euro Dollar. Alright, let's start with wheat prices. Wheat is, as always, I like to give idea of wheat because it's the basic thing for inflationary pressure as well. Even the price of wheat can just determine the price of the rate of inflation. So let me just give you an example. All right, you see the price of wheat is just relaxing and from high levels, and this is a good sign. Even when we check the end of November, it just it was trading at 860, sorry, just have some cold. All right, and from that level it just declined, and recently it's on the rise. Reason normally it's supposed to go down more and more, but the Kazakhstan issue is just affecting the price of wheat. You will say, all right, Kazakhstan is producing oil and gas, but what about, how about like the wheat? They are sixth biggest producer of wheat in Bali. So this is really important. So the population of Kazakhstan is only 18 million people, and in civil unrest, a lot of people have joined these kind of things. In just 4 days, they don't stop or cultivating and other things. But just the concern of these thing, these civil unrest, if it just goes beyond the expectation, if it just goes on for a few months, so it will affect the price of wheat as well. That was the expectation, but thank God, like we have received some good news from there, and the authorities, they said they have new president right now, and also yeah, and prime minister, sorry, they have a new prime minister right now. President Tokay appointed another prime minister, and he is in charge, and then he said he will just restore the order immediately, and he will listen the request of people. That's important. And with this we have just seen easing in wheat prices, so this is important. So what happens next? If we just see the weather like this, a rainy and snowy weather, that's good for wheat production. If we just hear that one in spring harvest, we will have good wheat season, and then the price will go down. All right, I know it's a lot of time, but if you don't know the future of something, if you just don't know how to the price can go, and then which season is the best for it, you cannot trade daily. So in near future, price will probably will be in this range, and between 635 736 and 770 area, it will just go up and down a bit. But at the end of the contract, we may see another decline in wheat prices, which is on February. All right, that's a lot of time to that one. All right, this was the wheat price. Let's look at Ethereum. What's happening there?
You are ready to win with us. GAN Markets.
All right, we are on the chart of Ethereum. As you can see here, Ethereum is not moving that much. The critical levels, as you can see here, the critical levels is 3,200 level. As long as it is under that one, we don't expect any rebound from Ethereum. And as you can see as well, another 3,000 level is another strong support for Ethereum prices. So on this level, it is just stopping. You see our FIBO level, just a pin to our FIBO level, and as a support, but then Rika rebounded. So for the next couple of days, maybe a couple of weeks, we will see the price of the currencies like this, because everybody just waiting for tomorrow's CPI data of US. That's all right, but FOMC meeting on 24th of January is important. Until that date, we may see the market focused on these Fed officials. They will just listen what they are saying. And on 2021, Bitcoin has gained a lot of interest with really loose monetary policy. Right now, we are getting into tight monetary policy, and we may see the reverse. I know you will say that, come on, it's just cryptocurrency. It's not about the dollar index, but it's not like that. When there's a lot of money in the market, so people just don't think too much on these risk assets. But when there's less money in the market, so people think twice on their investments. So we will see something like this. Even Coinbase director and some other like insiders are selling their stocks. If you just check on Google, you will see that people just see these assets are risky for 2022. All right, let's look at euro dollar. What's happening there? All right, euro dollar is our last chart, and as you can see here, euro dollar is not changing its view. Just look at it. As you can see, and if you don't count these small like declines, it's in, and these ones, they are also like a small ones, just a few hours, like a 10 hours. And if you don't count them, it is just from December, from the beginning of December, in a line of vertical, in a horizontal range, and in a channel. It's going up and down each time, from this support level going up, and then from this resistance rejected. Tomorrow's CPI data is critical for dollar index. If we just hear like a higher than expected inflation, so people will just definitely price the reverse. Normally dollar index drops in these kind of high inflation, but this time everybody will just focus on inflation is higher than that one. So Fed has no other option than interest rate hike, and that will just mark they will just price these hike, and we will see lower level of euro dollar tomorrow if we just get higher level of CPI. And today, just 2 hours later, we will have actually 1 hour later, we will have Jerome Powell's speech, and then he will answer the questions. And on that one as well, on that time as well, we will see fluctuation in euro dollar, and you can just benefit from up and downs with sell and buy position. Right now, as you can see here, if it just goes a bit higher and then rejected from this level, a sell option is a good trading idea for euro dollar. All right, thank you so much for watching us. We will be together on more news tomorrow morning with more charts and more analysis. Have a nice and profitable day. Bye.